G'day pocket watchers. We're here at another abandoned explore in the country at a farmhouse. That's what we're looking at. So the doors are closed, but if we go around to the side, you'll see that the wall's actually down and we can just have a walk in. I'm here with Drew's Adventures, Werner's Adventures, and Come Hither with Heather. If you'd like to check out their more cinematic type of videos, go right ahead. This is the front door, it's looking gorgeous. Beautiful deep coloured glass on the outside, I'm not sure what colour that is. Look at that, gorgeous. It's such an, oh that's a rose pink. That's what that is. Deep purple rose pink, that's beautiful. That is gorgeous, and the wood is beautiful. Let's get some light on the subject. Screen door's long gone. Looks like we've got some lime green coloured glass up there and clear glass for the other window. That used to be the power pop. Right, we'll go in through the side wall, shall we? Right, we're inside, and as you can see, the how it was constructed. There's your skirting boards, nice wide skirting boards. Nice moulded. We've also got some shaped, could have been fascia board. It's an old door, window. That's a bed. And we have the birds. It's not a slat and stuff ceiling, it's interesting, it's all metal. This is iron. That is iron. Wow. Iron strapping holding the ceiling up in a decorative colour, in a decorative pattern. Got an old pram here. An old 1920s chairs. No, not 1920s, 1960s, maybe 50s. We've got dirt and timber flooring. That's the window. We have no glass. Nice blue colour.
And bye for now.
That's Drew's Adventures. Check out the channel for wonderfully edited and composed videos. That's a lot of glass broken. That's a beautiful door with the old style lock. Not a tread on that glass. Can we get around to the back of the door? Don't know, can't see. Some holes in the flooring. That's the front door lock. Oh, that's beautiful. Goes with that beautiful discussion. Well, locks around. That is just gorgeous.
Boiler. Don't know what that would do.
Look at the detail.
What they do. Okay. If you guys know, let me know in the comments.
With the slide out.
I have another quick look through here.
That's another look at that pink glass, pinky purple glass. The green up the top.
Alright guys.
You can see it from here.
Explore.
We've got some metal gate things in here. We've got lino down on the flooring. Nice moulded architraves.
Okay, what is what it said?
We're going to the room to the right.
And this is probably our last explore for the evening.
We've got lots of old farm equipment, chains and things. Some sort of contraption, probably for fencing or jacking up stuff. Looks like some sort of weights. Cutting tool. Some interesting surround of the fireplace. Can't actually reach the fireplace to show it to you. It's a big tractor wheel. That's the lid of a barrel. And that's a diff of a tractor. Or the pinion. It's something spiky. Again, the metal and slats retaining the ceiling. Got a metal. Well, it's late in the day. I can't think of the words. You know what that is. Metal spring bed. Single bed. Tall windows with that detail on the Evans. Some sort of heating kettle-y thingy or something. Lots of things on it. Some coppery, brassy things. Not sure what that is. That's a relief valve. Okay, we've got mats. That's a mat. That's lots of metally bits. Another bed. Another single bed. Don't know what they are. There's more of them over there. A little feed tin. Little box. Oh, look at this. We got ourselves a lock. Starting to get dark now. It's a nice door. Right, let's keep heading through the house. Yep, that's where we came in. Whoa, okay, we're missing floor. Still in the joist. We don't want to go through it just like the day. That's a water tank. Glass jars. Whoa, lots of barrels. Oh, birdies. We got starlings. And they're bronze breasted starling. And I've just disturbed them. Sorry, birdies. Okay, this is the back door, which would overlook the farm. functional. That's what you'd overlook when you looked out your front door. It's got more machinery and stuff out here. Big water tank. But what a view. You've got the bullnose veranda. It's coming down. It's got a basic concrete veranda base. Let's continue with the explore inside the house. It's getting pretty cold outside. Let's close the door. Keep the animals out. We've got old lounges. We can't get over there. Let's just zoom in. Let's go into the room to the right. Another beautiful door. We've got a lock. Oh, that's a skull and bones. Okay, that's why we like to keep doors closed, but with that side of the... Wow, okay, with that side of the wall gone, it's a bit hard to keep the animals out. It's a beautiful wooden door. Like the spirit of the animals. Another metal strap ceiling. Ties and things in here. More glass. That's a bit of a water tank. More jars. Pumps. Where's the fireplace? No fireplace in this room? No. More animal carcasses over there. They got in, they couldn't get out. It's a sort of blue, grey liner. Heating oil. This is a lovely door with glass intact. It's not coloured, it's just mottled. Oh yeah, it's coloured down there. That's a greeny, that's a purple colour. Very nice. Let's get the view without falling through it. Right. Wow. And that's our exit. Alright, pocket watches as the sun sets. On a beautiful day of exploring with my explore partners. Come hither with Heather. Warner's Adventures and Drew's Adventures. Take care, everyone. Until the next. Explore. Just noticed something as I was walking around taking the outside photos. Is that this veranda was actually a front room. There's a fireplace. Right there. So this whole back of the house is gone. Wow.